Hi, I'm Sandy Schreck here for LenBuschRoses, and today we're here to introduce you to the Holly Chapple Pillow and Egg Collection. So she's put together a collection of compotes. So there's plastic compotes and also clear glass compotes. So that's kind of her signature look, is that she's using a lot of things in compotes. And then what they've done is created her signature pillow and egg into like a plastic snap together form. So the pillow actually comes in the 3 sizes and the egg comes in 2 sizes. We're just carrying the larger size on that. But what this ultimately does is really kind of gives you control of stem placement. So this is one of the acrylic compotes that we're going to use here. And you're just gonna see, we're gonna start adding some of the foliages just coming in through this grid. So the design style that you'll see is far more botanic, and you'll see a lot of foliages in these designs, and also just like the fresh picked look, but you can see how you can gain control of placement of these stems. And I'm just kind of starting from the outside in. Just drawing groupings back and forth of the different materials. And really, that's 6 stems of foliage, and look at how much coverage and impact that we have. So you can see the different pieces are going different directions. Then we're going to add in some of this branch, kind of to get that fresh picked look again. And this is going to give us a little bit more depth. And then just lastly, a couple pieces of grevillea. Varieties of foliages add the whole textural influence that your brides are gonna be craving. And then from there, we'll just start putting flowers in a little bit in groupings. But you can see the controlled placement that I can get using the pillow. The pillow is meant to actually sit on the rim of a container, so it doesn't go down into the container. I'm adding some other visual interest with the leucadendron. These are safari sunsets. And then coming back and adding some carnations in deep just to cover our base. You can see I have very good control of my floral materials, and so I'm able to do single placements, and they're with that grid that's in there, you get a great feeling of being mechanically sound. So you have nice long stems that come in and go all the way across the container. So it's really kind of have to get used to cutting them longer so that you get that expanse coming across the design. Hypericum berries add another waxy textural influence into it. And then some calla lilies to really give some drama coming out. And this is all in plain water, so you're gonna get good lasting quality from your flowers. And coming in with a little bit of fillers here on the end, coming down and just spinning this around, kind of looking to my sides to see if there's any places that I need to cover up the rest of that base. You can just see what great control you have using this mechanic. I'm very excited to be able to have this available for you, and thank Holly for working with Syndicate Sales to get it developed. So we always need new mechanics to help us on the market. So she originally started using this really a lot in her bridal work, so you can also use the pillows and eggs to create your bridal bouquets. We did one last week and it turned out fabulous. You really can get a lot of spread on it. As you can see in this design, in the compote here, you really have a great control of product and a good amount of product that has been placed, kind of arranged, unarranged, so giving that fresh pick look and fresh from the garden. So this is the garden wedding collection that we have here from Holly Chapel, and so we hope that you'll give it a try. It's a wonderful mechanic, and I really feel you'll enjoy using it.